Please use the pause button if you would like more time to read this disclaimer.
Today, for our microlearning topic, we're going to be going over the removal of the maintenance battery from the F-18 Super Hornet. Before we begin, we will be conducting today's maintenance action in accordance with our maintenance diagnostic and repair tool. Remember to follow every step, caution, and warning that pops up in MDART because it ensures your safety and the safety of personnel around you and the prevention of any type of damage to our equipment. Our first step is to remove clamps and loosen the drain tube on the battery. This is a maintenance trainer, and because we are in a training environment, we do not have a maintenance drain tube on this battery. However, when you remove it in the fleet, it will have petroleum jelly on it. So make sure you refer to your safety data sheets and have the appropriate personal protective equipment before removing the drain tube. The next step will be to disconnect the battery, remove any hardware, and then physically remove the battery from the aircraft. It is a heavy piece of equipment, so if you feel like it needs to be a two-man lift, don't be afraid to grab a shipmate to help you remove it from the aircraft. Use the proper lifting techniques, and don't set it on the ground too heavily because it will damage the battery. So a gentle set down will remove you from the aircraft. We're now going to remove all the hardware after disconnecting it. Make sure that electrical power is off, no one is doing any type of electrical maintenance, and the battery switch is in the off position. And if you want to go above and beyond, you can go ahead and pull the circuit breaker as well. When disconnecting the battery, turn the cannon plug counterclockwise until all threads are shown and pull straight out. Proper inspection of pins on both the plug and the jack side is very important to prevent any further damage. Move the harness far enough away from the battery to prevent any type of chafing or pulling on any accessory wire harness. The next step, removing bolts, washers, and corresponding hardware. The tool needed for this maintenance action is a 7/16 socket and a small ratchet. Proper tool control is imperative. Once hardware is removed, placing all corresponding hardware in a maintenance action form or FOD bag to prevent foreign object damage will help in reducing FOD on the flight line. Remember that in addition to MDART, battery maintenance will be performed in accordance with NAVAIR 17 TEC 15 BAD TEC 1. When removing the battery, inspect it for any type of marking including a placed in service date. Remember that batteries are only placed in service for 2 years. And that's how you remove the maintenance battery from the F-18 Super Hornet. Make sure you always follow the improved maintenance and safety procedures. I'm aviation electrician since my second class, Lucas McLean, and this has been the removal procedure for the maintenance battery.
Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to fill out the survey down below in the comments section and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also feel free to leave comments there.